have you seen an indicator that makes ICT trading so simple, drawing everything you need to know on the chart for you? You can see this is the tool that I've been using right here, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so now you can see you have a buy side liquidity here shown on the chart. The indicator showed this. Okay, we have a sell side, liquidity right here, another buy side liquidity. Okay, so this indicator will show you everything. If there's a market structure shift, you can see it is going to show you. Other blocks going to show you. Okay, and now we have price pushing them to tap on the other block before the massive drop. You can see break of structure shown right here. So this tool will show you everything you need to know about ICT. Okay, so now let's go in and let me show you this indicator, what you need to know. Things that you need to turn them off for you to use it. Okay, so if you are new, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any question. Back-to-back content, educational content, as always. All right, so now come to indicator section at the top here, and you're gonna type in ICT concept, and you pick the loss algo, this one. All right, so it's gonna come on the screen, and let me show you the setting things that you need to turn them off on the setting side. So this is the setting, that is the inner setting of the tool. All right, so of the indicator. So you need to maintain the length, the market structure is there, break of structure is there. This one is there, everything other block is shown, and you have to turn this one off. The historical polarity, turn it off. Then liquidity, show liquidity. All right, so you got to be on. So turn this one also. I've turned the fair value gap off. All right, but if you trade fair value gap, you can turn it on. All right, I don't trade fair value gap. If I turn it on, it's gonna create a lot of noise, so I've turned it off. And if you want it, you can turn it on and turn this one off. All right, this line right here, this one, it is the line inside. Turn it off, and this is how it is. Okay, we have our sections, everything. Okay, so look to the setting and set your own the way you are seeing it. Okay, so now this is how it's gonna be. Now you can see price came to this buy side liquidity right here. You can see anytime buy side liquidity get taken, price move to the negative direction. So we have buy side liquidity created here. Price take the liquidity drop to the downside. What happened? We have a market structure shift before the drop. Okay, so we have this market structure shift right here. Price has left the place. That is why you are not seeing any reaction. But at first, when price was around here, everything was showing, and we caught this sell. Okay, so I use it to, if I want to trade ICT. All right, you know I trade ICT and price action. So if I want to trade ICT, that is why I use this tool right here, this indicator, which is gonna show me everything. Okay, so now we have price created, buy side liquidity, and you can see push up. We have market structure shift right here. Price came back to the supply zone or the other block. We have another drop. Price came back to this same area. Break of structure came back to the zone. Caught this sell right here. Drop. Another break of structure happened right here. Price came back to the same zone. You can see. All right. So the tool will show you everything. You can see price came back to the zone. That is the OB. Tap in. Drop. Okay. We have a change of character right here. Price came back to the other block zone, a massive drop. We also have another break of structure right here in the zone. You can see we have a break of structure right here. Okay, and price is trying to come into the zone again before the massive drop. So this is another break of structure. So the tool will show you everything you need to know. Just follow, the principle and trade it. Okay, backtest this tool. Make sure it works with your trading style before you want to apply your live money or into a live market. Okay, so you have a break of structure, and price is trying to come up there, something like this, change character here, then drop. Okay, so that is what is happening right here with price that we are anticipating. And if you want to catch this trade to the upside, what you're going to do is first you need to go to the smaller time frame. Okay, we are in the 1 hour. You can go to the 15 minutes, and you can catch this trade right here. You can see price change character here. You can see we have a lower high, lower low. We have price cause market structure shift. All right, or change of character. Price came back to a fair value gap zone somewhere around here, and we are having the push to the upside. Okay, so it is going to the upside. Come and tap into this OB zone that the tool is showing before another massive drop to the downside. Okay, something like this. So that is what price is trying to do. Something like this. That is what price is trying to do right now. Okay, so our trade will be somewhere around here to the downside. Now you can also apply this on gold. This is on GBP USD. Let's go to gold and let's see. You can see gold also is doing the same thing. We got this sell right here. That was yesterday, and the same thing happened. We had price change character inside that zone. When you go to the smaller picture, you're gonna see it. Sell side liquidity. You saw a sell side liquidity right here and a buy side liquidity. Anytime buy side liquidity happens, price goes to the negative direction. You can see price drop. There was a market structure shift right here. Price is here, that's why it is showing right here. But when price was here, it was showing somewhere around here. Okay, so that was why we came by with this sell trade. We're expecting price to come to this zone, then shoot. Okay, so this is for ICT traders or SMC traders. All right, price action trader, you don't need this. Don't go and bring this confuse yourself. All right, so subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question. Anytime I drop a strategy video, I will tell you it is ICT or price action. This is for ICT or SMC people. Price action, don't go and bring this on your screen. You will confuse yourself. Okay, if you are trading with ICT and you don't know how to draw the zones, the tool is gonna draw the zone for you. Okay, so this is how it is. This is just a simple video that I just want you guys to be aware of, that we have a tool that can draw everything you need on the screen for you to trade along with it. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any question. Okay, like the video, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video.